We are going to be looking at how to turn Windows features on or off. There are some specific features in a Windows 11 operating system, even Windows 10. Without you turning these features on, you will not be able to use it on a Windows 11 operating system. For example, we have the Hyper-V. You know, the Hyper-V is actually a virtualization software which you can actually use to install multiple operating systems on a single device. But Hyper-V is actually, you cannot use Hyper-V on your device without turning on the feature. So if I go to my set menu and I type AWPWIZCPL, that's application wizard.cpl. So it's going to take me to features, programs and features, and here you can see we have the option called turn Windows feature on or off. Just click on it. And here you can see it's going to give me all the different features I can actually turn on or off. For example, just like I mentioned before, you can see we have the Hyper-V. And again, you can see, for example, we have containers, we have data center bridging, device lockdown, guarded host, and we have lots more. For example, we have the Windows TIFF filter, we have the Windows Process Activation Service. So all these are different activities. For example, the TFT, that's the trivial file transfer protocol, and the Telnet client. All these can actually be configured. So what you need to do, for example, I want to turn on the Hyper-V. You can see we can decide to turn on the Hyper-V, or we just need to just turn on only the Hyper-V, specific Hyper. We can see I just want to turn on just a specific Hyper-V model, for example, just this model, or want to turn on everything. So by doing that, you need to actually just click OK. And by clicking OK, then you need to actually restart your device, because it's going to actually install that feature on your device, and then you will definitely need to restart your device for you to be able to use the complete feature. So I'm not going to do that for now. I'm just going to click cancel because I don't need the Hyper-V on this device. I'm actually using an Azure. This operating system is actually installed in Azure, so I'm using the remote desktop control. That's the remote desktop connection that actually connect to this Windows 11 operating system. So for now, I can just click cancel, and then we can now also close the programs and feature from the control panel. So that is how you turn the Windows feature on or off.